Rusty Rust. Me friends and Thomas the trainer coming over. Can you do me a favor?
Police at 7 in the morning. What do you want?
Here's some dollar.
Oh, Chase is having a sale.
Geez, why don't we get any customers?
Hey, at least we made a year's worth of business.
Hey, Chase, give me 100 dog food.
No way, you purple doggo, you ate all of my food last time.
All right then, I'm leaving, and I'm taking this reload with me.
No, not Riley is my best employee, no.
And then I said chicken.
I Thomas Flush Percy and Thomas the Train.
Don't call me Thomas the Train.
Oh, hi there, Prester. What do you have in the cartony sack?
Lots of dog food.
May I see it?
No, I'm going into my bedroom. Don't come by. I definitely didn't catch a reader. Got camera ready, Presty? Presty noise. Okay, everyone watching. Give me 100 dog foods or else I force feed him hot sauce. How about instead I make you my personal dog food cook? What's that? I can't hear you. I am not even a customer. I am a cashier. Also, I know self-defense. Oh no! Don't ask.